Now let me remind you guys, because the complainant in the case makes this case seem as if it was yesterday it happened. No, 2 years ago. It's 2 years ago. The guy ran broke and he remembered, oh, I did something like this the other year and I feel it didn't work, or it worked, whatever it was. And he decided to go back for the money. Who does that? Now he went to Akwa Okuko's house and he started constituting nuisance. At the end of the day, the security, the vigilantes were called upon and he was bundled out and he was flogged, although I condemn the flogging. You get? Now moving forward, Akwa Okuko called him and they related. They settled for 500,000. Akwa Okuko paid in 500,000 naira to him. But in greed knows the alarm. In greed knows the alarm. What did he do next? He contacted VDM. VDM ignored him. As since the VDM ignored him, he contacted another blogger called Dr. Paul Ezike. I guess you guys know him. Now Dr. Paul Ezike now help and run this matter. He made a video out of it. If you notice, the guy been the covering face for that video. The guy was, they had to censor his face. I guess at that point he was shy. But to your greatest surprise right now, he's no longer shy. And I will come to that in a few minutes. And the video went viral. Akwa Okuko now saw this video. And when he saw the video, he reached out to Dr. Paul Ezike. And he decided to pay the complete money. 2.5 million naira. No negotiations. Because the guy in question refused to negotiate. He said he wanted his 2.5. And at the end of the day, he got his 2.5. The next day was the day VDM spoke about it. And coming out to talk about the matter was just to make mockery of the matter. Let me play the clip for you. About a minute clip.
How you want me to follow this case now? Wetin I wan tell police, just in case I wan use my connection, what will I tell the policeman? That you try to do ibubo. When according to the interpretation, they say it's a protection so that you can be bringing arms and you can go into cocaine dealing in Nigeria. Eh? And you dey fight now, say me they give you money, they don't chop your money, they still beat you on top. They still beat you on top. Well, there's no way I can tell him to refund you. The only thing I can say is this. So all the people where won't pack their money go, they give the guy. Now na sabi. You understand? One of him victim don't come cry. Say he pay money for a bubo, the bubo, they come bubo am. You understand? So if you carry your money go there, the guy go use your money, take buy another Benz or another Lexus. By that time, you go and learn, and you will learn the hard way. Don't play. Now they pay you. If we decide to follow this case, you don't know, say police go arrest you. Police will pick you up, bro. Anyways, peace and love. Don't play. Mr. Akwa Okuko, enjoy your life. Now then they find quick money.
Oh, you listening to VDM, right? Now, when the guy heard VDM spoke about it, he reached out to VDM, telling VDM that they've paid in the money. You get? But they've not compensated him for the assault. VDM now take advantage of the whole scenario. Now tell him, say, if you know, say I don't pay, send the receipt to me. Then we'll follow up the assault. That was what VDM told him. He just want to show himself. He want to show how superior he is, how powerful he is. That's why I say, man, VDM now in the suffer from delusion, because he forget what he just say few minutes ago, few seconds, few hours ago, how he make mockery. Few minutes later, after they send them the receipt, few hours later, after they send them the receipt, this was what he came up to say again.
Akwa Okuko has sent back the sum of 2.5 million naira. Instead of 2 million as balance, he added 500,000 for the guy. He said, you no want problem. That was immediately the guy told him that, I dey go report to very dark man. So he decided to pay. He added extra 5,000 naira because of what he did to the guy, where he sent him boys, made them go beat the guy up. So he no want more pursue assault, because that was the plan actually. The lawyer said, made them pursue assault, because why would you brutalize your fellow man after una agreement no work? But the good part is that he has made a refund. If you look at the date, the refund was made yesterday. Now this case was reported to me about 4 days ago. I decided to do my investigation and post it today. So after I posted it today, the guy now reached out and said immediately he told him that they go tell VDM. The guy just quickly did the transfer. I'm not going to say the guy is scared of me, or maybe I am a superhuman being. No. But I think like I have superpowers in spoiling people's name. I'll spoil your name, I'll spoil your business, spoil your reputation, your family will be embarrassed, your friends will be embarrassed. I'll make you popular for the wrong reason.
My friend, go check yourself for narcissism. The fact that Dr. Paul Ezekiel could make Akwa Okuko pay the money through media, because I believe Akwa Okuko be no one making name linger. You understand? So from there, the guy started understanding how powerful the media is. Mind you, when them paid this money, everything was just on the low. Even the Dr. Paul Ezekiel self no even showcase say they don't pay. Make you see how mature that one day, because na gentleman agreement. But this one, VDM demanded for the receipt, promised the guy he was going to follow up for assault, collected the receipt, showcased the receipt, and came here and started professing his narcissism. How he prefers being feared than being loved. Now, still the stress out there in rhetoric, how he the like spoil, tarnish people image. Okay, now, as Very Dark Man showcased that receipt, it sent the wrong signal to the world, to the entire population. That, hey, Very Dark Man, they are seeing here Very Dark Man name, now he make him release money. As Akwa Okuko, they fear Very Dark Man, now he make him pay the money. You understand? And those are the kind of rhetorics where that guy, that complainant want, all those kind of rhetorics. Now, so the thing come the sweet to the guy. He can understand again how powerful again the media did. From that time onward, he started showing up his face. He know the hiding face again. Now I think he even don't get his own media platform. The last time I saw him this is what he came out to say. Listen to the guy. He spoke in Igbo though, but after I will interpret what he said.
Akwanoba. Semo mima mige me ya. Na mi so feeling when him give me no wodogu. Ya no nearly about 500,000.
Now you know the hiding face.
I told you. No wodogu. No na told you. But 500,000. But internet. That was 2.5 million. No, but yeah. No, it's coach. I'm not coach you when you know it. But the more one that you pay that money. You go 500. Nobody will call 2.5 million. They got also. More ways are not gonna work here. They got also. Or you will learn in the hard way. Don't try. You will fall.
You hear that VDM rhetorics again, or you will learn in the hard way. Because of assurances where VDM don't give them. So no worry, we'll go call them out. So what was he saying here? He say, Akwa, you the form hard man, but I tell you say you go pay the money. No do you pay 500. No do you pay another 2.5. But I tell you say you go pay more. And you must pay more. Or else you will learn the hard way. Now waiting they give this guy mind. Now waiting they do every day now to come out to the call Akwa. Because VDM don't teach him now, say man, you feed they call people out name. Now see greed. Now in the request for 10 million or else he go call out Akwa, saying jazz no they work.